We have heard of wars and rumors of wars. Calamities are increasing, the so-called climate, environmental issue. We have seen wickedness increasing at a pace we have never witnessed before. Do you think that it is time for us, as Amos chapter 4, verse 12 tells us, to prepare to meet our God?
Prepare for the last days, a devotional from the writings of Ellen G. White. Be ready to be a humble witness. Let your speech be always with grace, seasoned with salt, that ye may know how ye ought to answer every man. Colossians 4, verse 6. The power which stirred the people so mightily in the 1844 movement will again be revealed. The third angel's message will go forth, not in whispered tones, but with a loud voice. It is with an earnest longing that I look forward to the time when the events of the day of Pentecost shall be repeated, with even greater power than on that occasion. John says, I saw another angel come down from heaven, having great power, and the earth was lighted with his glory. Then, as at the Pentecostal season, the people will hear the truth spoken to them, every man in his own tongue. It does not seem possible to us now that any should have to stand alone. But if God has ever spoken by me, the time will come when we shall be brought before councils and before thousands for his name's sake, and each one will have to give a reason of his faith. Then will come the severest criticism upon every position that has been taken for the truth. We need then to study the Word of God, that we may know why we believe the doctrines we advocate.
Christ